If this world were mine.
Hey, Roman numeral 7, baby, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, get them strictly with that fire. Fire, 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 fire. Kumbaya, nah.
This world concrete, flowers grow. All day she only do what she know. Weekends get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure.
Different background. This is the city of Antwerpen. Dutch rule for quite a lot of time from wider area for the same purpose that they are built for. A city, even though we are in where the whole European Union is lead from, this is the heart of the capital of
Teka lang. Ano, gusto mo doon?
Oo. Wala naman red light eh. Patigilin mo natin siya. Tara.
Nakabunga ba? Dito.
Dito ka sa bilit. Yan, chocolate. Souvenir. Uy, madulas ah. Sa kanan tayo.
Diyan mo rin ito ngayon. Ito.
Yun lang.
Ang taas eh.
Pag hinanapan ka ng reseta, tanungin mo kung pwede sa Philippines. Pag pwede, sa free time natin, gawin kita online. Send ko sa email mo.
Pero
Pag hinanapan ka.
baka meron naman na
Pero baka
counter.
pwede naman yung ano lang, yung seal.
Counter. Mga counter.
Pag emergency lang. Ay, close. Close pa eh. Pagbalik.
English house.
Akala ko dala niya yan.
Doon nung isang gabi nila.
Teka, Ben.
No. Ang problema.
Ayun tayo. Gusto mo pa isa? Bili ka isa pa? Ayun, 10 lang.
Ayan. Belgium. Hindi. Mamadali.
Tumingin ka lang ng mga basahan na.
Sa labas lang naman yun. Sorry. Wow, ganda. Ganyan. Kaya nga eh.
Tell me which one of these buildings is a church.
Wait.
Church.
Black one.
Black one.
Black one. The black one. Who goes with the black one? Sorry, it's a rain, but okay, who goes with the church? I will tell you. None of them. Yeah, right. None of them, even though they look like a church. Back in the time, the buildings surround you. They started building them in 15th century and ended up with the whole buildings at 18th century. But to show off power, they would use the Gothic, the French Gothic style to build the houses. This is the Grand Palace. This is the City Hall. This is the City Hall where the city and the country is governed from. Okay, so this is the City Hall, the Parliament, the Constitution, everything in one. Whereas the old City Hall is just behind the black building. But now you can see that their flags are stripped down. That means that they transferred the power to the Grand Palace. There's a balcony all which is out every year. The king and the queen comes up front to greet the people. When you see these houses, they're all decorated. You see a lot of Roman inscriptions, a lot of Roman history. Ladies and gentlemen, is protected from UNESCO's heritage site. You've seen one golden monument on the ground, probably while walking through here. That's
Yes.
Sign of UNESCO. And this whole square and the city in general itself, it's protected by UNESCO. If you would like, we can take a picture with the Grand Palace over here, and then just move to the mannequin pits, and I will set you some free time. By the way, I want you.
bas, elle me parlait tout bas. Je vois la vie en rose. Il me dit des mots d'amour, des mots de tous les jours. Et ça me fait quelque chose. Look at the stars, look how they shine for you and everything you do. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turning to something beautiful. You know, for you I've laid myself dry. Mukhang delikado na naman ako. Bakit ba kinikilig na naman ako? Pero ngayon ay parang